Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we want to talk about the freelance opportunities which you have here, which we can use with the help of this AI tools. So in the coming videos, I'm going to show you there are different types of freelance platforms where you can build different types of businesses, online businesses, and with the help of these AI tools like ChatGPT and MidJourney, and you can sell those products to generate revenue for yourself. So this can be a completely an online business sitting from your home where you can build these out and generate multiple sources of income for yourself. Here, it will be an online product, a digital product, which you will be creating, and then you can sell it out multiple times. And just going to be a one-time investment of yours where you're going to build it out for only once, and then it can be sold out multiple times, repetitive times to users, generating a recurring income for yourself. So I'm very excited to show you all of this. In the coming videos, we'll see those platforms, how you can set up an account on those platforms and start creating these amazing stuff for your customers and build a business, build an online business for your users who would love to engage with you and buy your services from you. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this. And let's go to the next videos to see how these platforms actually work. Thank you, guys.